will take place, I want to urge the National Assembly that the sovereign power of this nation belongs to the people and shall be exercised in concert with the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya. And that power, you can also exercise it indirectly in the National Assembly. And that power, you should not abuse it. It is very sad that this country is taken into circus of impeachment, and that will not enable economic activity to go in the right direction. So I just urge our Member of Parliament to focus on coming up with legislations which can help the people of Kenya and to enable that the economic activity can be carried out and create employment for the people of Kenya. Second, I want to come up with this issue of security. We have seen that the Central Institute or Authority, the CIA, is taking over the Manda, taking over the Turkana, taking over the Wajir, the modern telecom system of this country. This will expose our country, and it is not good at all. This will enable, this will facilitate the extractions of our raw materials, of our resources, the minerals, and also put our country in security epic. For instance, a Somalia national came and did insecurity, did evil things in Isili. That should not happen. Let us protect our borders, because Kenya is a sovereign state. We are a sovereign state, and let us protect our borders. The European Union, the United States of America must leave Kenya to protect its borders and ensure that Kenya enjoys its sovereignty. That is my take. Thank you very much.